but I don't want to get used to this.
Spiritual ginger.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, first of all, disclaimer, if I look exactly the same as I did in another video, disregard that because I'm recording multiple videos today, and right now I just didn't feel like changing. This is my last video. I'm tired. Okay, so let's just, just a disclaimer. I might look the same as I did in the previous video or the next video. I don't know which one's gonna go up first, okay? But that's besides the point. So in today's video, I will be trying out some contact lenses. You guys know I use contacts daily. That's not a surprise. I've done video on this before, and I reviewed some other contact lenses before. In today's video, I will be reviewing some new ones that I picked out from a different brand, and I'm super excited because I'm currently wearing one of them right now, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm just obsessed, period. I have some pros, some cons, some positives, some negatives about these, so stay tuned. Keep on watching this video. Before we get into it, you already know what to do, right? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification. All the links to everything will be in the description box down below. They are affiliate links, so if you guys don't want to make some money, if you guys don't want me to make some money, then you're gonna have to go and search up the actual products on the website. But if you do, you can just click on the direct link down below. Let's get straight to it. So the contacts that I'm wearing right now are some great contacts, and these are from JUST4KIRA. Hold on. Okay, so the box doesn't really look aesthetically pleasing right now because I already opened a few of these contacts and tried them on and stuff like that, but that's just the point. So the contacts that I will be reviewing today are from JUST4KIRA, JUST4KIRA. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Let's just go with JUST4KIRA. JUST4KIRA. The box, I love it. It's like nice, black, sleek, simple, cute. You know what you're getting. It says on the bottom, color contact lenses. So the packaging itself sold me. I really like it because it's like straight to the point, So when you open it up, the contacts do come in one contact each pack, like each packaging. The first thing that I noticed, and the first thing that literally just caught my eye as I opened up the box, are these cute little containers. How cute are these? They're clear and there's nothing special about them other than the contact lenses. These are in here. Like, okay, hold on. Let me try and see if you guys can, if the camera would focus on this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So these are the little cases, right? Obviously there's no contacts in these because this is the one that I'm wearing. So these are the other contacts that I have, right? And you guys can see the case is pretty much the same size, but these are loose in here, so I can take out the actual case. These ones, the case is inside of the thing. I can't take it out. So this is the whole case. This one, I could actually open it up. Hold on. This one, you can open it up and you can take these out and just go about your day with these. This case is not like that. This case is, it's there, stick like on it. I don't know if you guys know what I'm trying to say or if I'm explaining myself properly. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but basically this is not going nowhere. Okay, I don't know, maybe it's not super convenient for some people just because this probably takes less space, but I love these. These are cute because you have the tools and everything. You guys know I don't really use these tools, but for those of you who do, it's, you can use the tools and you're not going to lose them or anything like that. These are the ones that I have on right now. As you guys can see, these are open already. These are the gray ones, and the color is called CYNTHIA Gray. And you have one lens in each pack, so each package, so you have left and you have right. They're not labeled left and right because I'm pretty sure you just picked that yourself, especially because I don't have any prescription on these or anything like that. If you do, you will definitely know what's left and what's right from the numbers, or your prescription will be on here. So I like that. The gray one specifically came in these little ones where you also have the names again, CYNTHIA Gray. If you have a prescription, you will have it on the back. And then they come in the little water solution inside here. I'm just gonna stare right into the camera so you guys can just get a look of them. You guys know I love me some gray contact. That's probably like my favorite. And then you have hazel and brown, and then you have green, and then you have blue. Those are like in that order how I like my contacts. But these are the Cynthia Gray. They are super bright. My eyes are naturally really dark brown, almost close to black. They completely canceled out my dark brown eyes, which I love. And I'm going to switch to the other ones. I am going to try on the brown ones, and the brown ones are called Crystal Brown. I already tried on one of them, so I'm going to be putting them both on for you guys. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys before I put on the other one. These are the Crystal Brown ones, and as you can see, it's just giving me a lighter brown. This is my natural brown eyes, and this is the one with the contact in. So they're still brown, just a little bit lighter. So whenever I want to like switch it up a little bit, I think this is like the perfect natural brown shade. These contacts, the gray ones and this one, they're clear. So what I mean about that is that the contact itself is clear. It's not covering anything on your eyes. Is literally just sitting on top of your eyes like a film, and it's clear, and it's giving you some type of color. That's pretty much what these contacts do. I'm going to put on the other one just so you guys can see them together. I just wanted to show you guys the difference between my natural brown and the contact brown. So let me put this in. So these are both in my eyes, and I feel like they give me a little bit of a feel of like, okay, you could clearly tell these are contact, but you can't really tell. It's just me. But these are the Crystal Brown. They feel super comfortable on the eyes. My eyes are a little bit sore, like irritated now, because I've been like taking them in and out. But this is pretty much what they look like. Oh wait, hold on, my eyes are watering. Ooh, my makeup will definitely be ruined by the end of this video. But these are the Crystal Brown. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the next ones, which are the green ones. And girl, let me just show y'all. Okay, so before I put the green ones on, as you guys can see, I don't have any contacts on right now or anything like that. But I just want to show you guys what I mean with the other ones when I say they're clear. These green ones are not clear, and this is nothing on the brand. It's just on that specific style that I picked out, which I wasn't aware of. If I would have known, I would have picked a different style. But these ones, when you look at them, you can see they are white on the inside. Do you guys see that? They are not clear. These green ones will cover your eye. So if your pupil are dilated, however you say it, you know, when you're high or when you're like happy, they kind of expand. These contacts will kind of block your vision low-key a little bit, which stresses me out. It gives me so much anxiety. So I'm probably gonna have these on for like 2.5 seconds and then take them off, because I don't like that. Okay, this gives me anxiety. It's like putting on a film on top of your eye, and oh my god, and you can like, I can see black. I'm gonna put them both on just for the sake of this video, but I am not a fan, because when I look to the side, I see black. Like I can see the little circle. My eyes are watering and everything. Oh child, I feel like I'm looking through a little, I feel like I'm looking through a hole, like a peek hole or something. I don't know if this is just something that takes getting used to, but I don't want to get used to this. I'm sorry, I'm tearing up. And this is so uncomfortable. It's not because the lens are uncomfortable, it's just because, as I explained, I can't even look straight into the camera. But okay, these are the green ones, and these are called, oh no, I feel blind. Hold on. Child, this is giving me so much anxiety as soon as I open my eyes. Okay, so these are called Alpha Green. This is what the Alpha Green looks like. Like, look into the side. I hate it. I can't even keep my eyes open. Okay, I need to take them out. It low-key, okay, I just need to calm down. Hold on. It low-key feels like having a vision of a 5-year-old. You know, when they can't really see to the side because their vision haven't really developed fully. It feels like I have this tunnel vision, and I don't like that. It gives me anxiety. It gives me the worst anxiety. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try on the last pair, which is the blue ones. Okay, so the blue ones actually took me a minute to put on. These are called Luna Blue. Luna Blue, right? Luna Blue. My eyes are super irritated right now from taking on and off these contacts, and I can barely look into my lights. So I'm gonna try and like show you guys, but hold on. Okay, so these are the Luna Blue. I actually really like these. These are also clear like the brown ones and the gray ones. I like the fact that I picked them out with a green hint. Like they're like blue on the outside, and then they're like green on the inside. So it's like a green and blue kind of contact, and I like that because it makes it look a little bit more realistic, more natural, more, you know, I don't know. To me, it just looks better than just simply blue. I already have simply blue contacts, and I'm not a fan. I'm sorry, I'm tearing up, but like my eyes are over it and they hate me right now. So overall, I really like this brand. I love the quality of the contacts. I love the fact that they all canceled out my super dark brown eyes. They all like just completely canceled out my color and gave like, you can really see the color of the actual contact, which is what I like. I actually love that. Not all contacts do that. A lot of contacts, they look like they're gonna give you color, but they just be sitting on top of your eyes and they don't really do anything. I don't know. They look really, really dark because your eyes might be dark already from before, which I have experienced multiple times before. But I really like these. They wear super comfortably on the eyes. My eyes are kind of recovering right now as I'm talking. And yeah, so those are like my thoughts and opinions on these contacts and these brands. They are all a yes for me. Oh wait, they're all a yes from me except for the green ones. Again, I can't do the white cast, the close contacts, tunnel vision type of thing. It gives me the worst anxiety. Looking to the side, it's just terrifying. I do not like that. Overall, if I have to pick my favorites, it has to be the gray ones that I started this video with, which are the Cynthia Gray, or these ones, which are the Luna Blue ones. And they do have a whole bunch of different colors on their website. These are just the ones that I personally picked out because I thought they might look cute on me and stuff like that. So definitely go check them out. I'm definitely going to be wearing the gray ones and these blue ones. They look super nice. Let me see if I can show you guys a little bit better now that my eyes are not watering as much. So these are the Luna Blue. As you guys can see, they're blue with a circle of green on the inside. So this is the end of this video. Again, shout out to JUST4KIRA for sponsoring today's video. I really loved these contacts, and I'm super excited to have some new colors. You guys, I have a whole contacts collection now, okay? I've been had that, but like my collection just grew a lot. That's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also turn your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Leave me a comment down below if you use contacts or not. What are your thoughts and opinions on them? Have you tried it before? Have you tried this specific brand before? Let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you so much. Bye. Mwah.